Hello traders, welcome back to another video. Today we're trading Solana on 3-minute candles. This is all in hindsight. Remember, no financial advice here, just for inspiration and for learning. So Monday, look at Monday. It's the big downtrend, really. Now we'll go into Tuesday. The only thing we have seen is perhaps a little bit of no man's land, so to speak. No trades really. The first couple of hours, we see this big downtrend starting. We do see some overshoots, but we do have to, well, we can actually, yeah, this is how you have to draw it. What you do is you draw like this. We start a downtrend. See here. Start a downtrend, and there is no second entries really. It's just reset all over. First entry. It's the first entry. So there are no trades really here on this time frame. Usually what I do sometimes when I see let's see here. When I see a start of a big downtrend as we've seen here, and it's way far off my EMA on the 3-minute, I usually go down, but there's nothing on. Might be a first entry up, second entry, too big bar, you can't take it. Can't go short here. Go back to the 3-minute. You can't scout a little bit like this. Once you see a big drop after consolidation, you see the uptrend played out. We did not even break this point. You can see this as a big resistant line here. If you want, you can mark it out. There's a lot of volume here. It's a turning point. Return once again. So here you can look for lower time frames. Look for trades, but there's no trade for us. Really, what you can do, you can expect it to turn somewhere here, but there are no real good trades in either way, no matter how you analyze it for us. Can move a little bit like this. You see overshoot. This is also overshoot, but it's kind of hard to analyze overall. But once you see a drop like this or a drop like this, you know that it is a it's really just, why did I mark this, by the way? Monday. As we mark like this, right? We push below previous day low. So what you could do around this area, if there was a second entry here, you could look for failed second entries because you got the overshoot and test of new extreme. But oh no, no second entries here, so a bit unlucky for us. Could have been some good trades, and you could probably argue for, again, a trade like this. I talked about it yesterday, or in the twin, when I analyzed Monday 22nd, you could argue for this being a trade. I sometimes take these because it's off the key and 2 key entry points. It's a brilliant bar. Then you can consider it. It's a low risk, not the best reward. Let's just see how it would pan out if we target the previous low. Yeah, I mean, really, I wanted to. Yeah, you can take that definitely. It's the argument for that. Some can argue that you can go long here, but I just can't. I've burned myself so many times when you are near the previous day low. which is really, I mean, this huge wick. So you could say that there is so much volume here, sitting down here to buy. So this bar could be your long entry. I can mark it as well, but I almost never take these because I don't see, for me, there are no success rates, really. So new high, see a little bit of jammed up price action again. First entry, no second entry, push down. Could potentially, I don't like to look for longs here, but in hindsight it turns out great, obviously. First entry, I can't look for a, well, like, can I? I mean, got a new low. First entry, second entry. It's not good. It's not good at all. The bar is terrible. Can mark this for aggressive traders, but you do get stopped out, really, on this bar. But if you have a little bit more... Yeah, no, I would not take this. See what we're working with here. Really can mark it. It's hard to mark this one, but... See, it's two legs pushing up. No entries here. Could potentially look for long here, but it's... I don't like it. This sometimes just turns on you directly. Because of the overall bias is so bearish. But since we do see these legs up, it's really some nice... Yeah, it's all except this one. It's not a higher high. It's higher high, higher low, higher high. Congestion, no trades. There's no real structure here. Got a new leg down. Got your new high. It's way down EMA again. So you can't really go unless it pushes up and then bounce back and then up. But first entry, new low. Man, there's no trades. I took a few yesterday. Let's see here, we got a little bit of pushing above the EMA again. New high, first entry. Inside bar. Maybe you can take this. I'd mark this. I'd actually perhaps take this. Because you've seen like the downtrend allow played out and we are overall moving up. Obviously it's not going to move up in a straight line, but you can see this work out. And I can see the reason for taking these trades. You do end up with a W. But then you come into this area, I mean all this. What can we really see here? It's way too jammed up. We have 2 crazy days. Obviously these drops are not... It will create like a mess afterwards usually. Will create a mess. We also do have some kind of area here. Let's try to figure out if we can do anything. First entry, second entry long. If you find this as early as this, maybe. I mean, I don't even want to mark it. I don't take these, so I don't want to mark them because I don't want to teach or show something I don't do myself. But you got it pushing lower, first entry. No, I don't like it. If this was a green bar, or this, it's like here, then maybe you can take a long here, but I don't like it. We got a first entry. I can mark this, but there are no good bars really. But this would have end up working out. Yeah. We got some resistances off these like bouncing points off here, but both on the up and down side here of the previous day low. But real again, no structure that I like to take. These are really boring trades. And I know Solana was so jammed up yesterday compared to others, but I wanted to just walk through. Holy moly, it's so congested, but already at the end of the day. First entry, second entry maybe. I mean, if you're really looking for trades, I rather skip some of these, but this one is okay. I'd say it's a triple test. Yeah, it's a triple test really. And then I push down, so you can do it. There are trades for the more advanced person, but I am not that advanced. But now you do see you want to test a new extreme of perhaps this one because we broke out. We do have a first entry, second entry, and you just wait for a nice bar, and I'll actually mark this one. It's really good because it is off the same line as of previous day low. It's good. I like it. 1.5. That's usually what we do. Something like this works out great. Leave for a runner. You can work yourself up to this jammed up area, maybe 2, around 2, 2.5. You can get out easily. It's good. This is the first trade I really like. So you break down and you push up, and now it just falls down. Really good trades. I don't know if I have time for more during the day. Do we have something like this? Let's see here. Because I have no real directional bias after this, so you can take trades into anything really. I did take a trade here, I remember. First entry sec. Yeah, this is good. This is good. I went too far. I did take this trade. Let's see. New low, first entry up, second entry. So of the key entry point. Just draw a little bit like this. Just to show you. We could overshoot. And here, but it's off the key entry point, it's good. And then we reverse. I like it. First entry, second entry, long, failed second entry. Wait. No. First entry. Second entry. Short, you can't take a second. No, you can't take a second entry short, and you know that we pushed above EMA. We can look for longs here. Second, I don't like to type. We don't type. Can take this, it's great. Do like it. 1.5. And here, if if you leave for runner here, you go out on break even, and here if you leave for runner, maybe you can do to run here. Yeah, a little bit. 1.5 is what I look for in all my trades. And there is the end of the day. So we ended the day. This was no. Which trade was it that I took? I think it was this one actually. Yeah, it was, because I went to bed as I took it and I put my stop loss and everything, so I only took a trade here. I took a few trades on other cryptocurrencies, but that's the price action today. Be a shorter video. There was some trades for advanced traders here, but I don't take these usually. Anyways, hope your trading went well and good luck. Yesterday, hopefully we get some more structure. We can preview some today. We do have some nice movement up here. I did take a long here. We'll go over it tomorrow. So we'll see. I'm still in this trade. Obviously, I have not been at my computer, so I did not record it. But every night I'm at my computer, and hopefully I can get a live recording of a trade. Really, yesterday was a good day for me, but I did not take that many trades. I did not trade in longs at all. So anyways, take care guys, see you tomorrow.